Okay, let's learn some Python. We have an issue where Python is drunk, so the string function is not working, and the integer function will not. So integer is not turning things to integers, strings not turning things to strings. This is not a real life scenario that you can encounter, but let's try and solve this issue. We're going to make two functions, an integer to string function and a string to integer function. If you don't know the definition of string and integer, that's fine. You can Google it. Simple definition is that integer is like a number, and then string would be like text or things that you can't easily transform into other things via math. So that's a bad definition, but here we go. So for this one, let's do return, and then let's type in some parentheses here. Let's do dot format and num. So format is red here. It's a built-in function that's, in this case, is turning an integer into a string, and then here we have one that's turning a string into an integer. So let's do return round float, excuse me, num. Alright, let's test this and see if it works. So we have something wrong here. Let's try and see what that could be. See, return round float num. Return. Oh, I did parentheses when I should have done curly brackets here. Let's try it now. Great, that worked. Always remember to proofread everything and check through. I hope you all have a great evening, night, morning, or day. Goodbye, and I look forward to having you watch the next video. Bye.